Everyone deserves to have more energy, and guess what? We are capable of producing that. And how we do it? It's through the breath. Breath is something that we need to convert energy into ATP, and we've got countless amount of breathing techniques we can share with you. But for now, just center in to a subtle inhale for 4 through your nose. Holding your breath for 7. And exhale out your mouth for 8. Continue breathing for 7, 8. But imagine that you are plugging in to inner sources of energy and also the outer sources of energy, such as space, sun, stars, moon. Just imagine for this moment that you're extending outwards and connecting as if you were charging your battery. Same way can go to earth or crystals. It matters not. Just set the intention of plugging into the energy and focusing on this breath. As you're plugging into the energy, imagine that you're sending love outwards and also receiving love back inwards. This natural flow of life. It works perfectly when we set this powerful intention through our mind, the software, body, the hardware. And to empower this energy, we're gonna use deep breathing, retention breath to be exact. We're gonna be breathing deeper on inhale into your nose, through your diaphragm, focusing on your belly, chest, all the way into your head with each inhale, and letting it go out of your mouth with each exhale. It's gonna be deeply in, no force out. That being said, let us begin to breathe deep into the first round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale through your belly, chest, all the way into your head. And exhale, let it go. Keep on breathing deep. Find the rhythm that serves you and focus on this deep nasal inhale. And through your mouth on exhale. As you're breathing, we've got about 30 seconds to go. Can you generate this deep saturation? This is not an office breath. We are generating energy through the breath and sending it out into every cell of your body with each exhale. Final 10. Final 3, 2, 1, and inhale deeply. And this time, exhale, hold your breath on exhale for as long as you can. When you're holding your breath, relax your body, surrender into the feelings, and connect into that crystal, earth, sun, stars. Just imagine all of that energy powering up your cells, receiving with this hold. The first extreme, holding your breath, the lack of CO2, using this beautiful energy to power up your cells, power up your mitochondria. Allow